Hello and welcome to or back to my channel. I don't know. So let's get into the Ipsy. We have four mystery Ipsys. I don't know what month they're from. They're not organized, but we're going to open them all. One is from this month, and then, wait, does that mean one is from December? Yes. One is from last year. Okay. So let's just get the ball rolling and get into opening these as fast as possible because they've been sitting here for a freaking eternity. So the first bag here, let's find out what month we have. Oh, I think this is actually from this month maybe. So this is the bag, and I think this bag is so cute. It's got like the little stud things on them, and it's like bright yellow. I'm pretty sure this is, let's see. Yeah, this is the March one. Well, that's good timing. I opened the March one first. Okay, so they actually have everything written in here, which is great. And let's see if I remember what I picked, because they let you pick one thing nowadays. And yeah, this is the thing that I picked, the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. And I just picked it because everyone talks about Tatcha this, Tatcha that, I don't know. So it smells good, like cream. I don't know that it smells like amazing or anything, but it just smells like cream. So that's good. It's cute, it's small, perfect for traveling. We also have a Galactic eyeliner. That's pretty cool. I don't have anything from Galactic, so that's pretty awesome. And all my eyeliners were pretty much drying out anyway. Oh, this is, uh-oh. Okay, so this wasn't on all the way. This is from Awake. This is a lip therapy lip mask, which definitely got a little bit attacked in my bag, but not too bad, so that's okay. Oh my god. It doesn't like smell really or anything, so that's interesting. Let's see what else. We also, this is kind of a full bag. We also have a foundation, a BC foundation, BB plus CC plus full coverage foundation plus 8 super blacks essence plus SPF 40. That's a lot of things in a foundation. I don't know, is it BB, CC? It's a lot of things. What is this? This also looks like an eyeliner. This is it's a mascara. This is a tiny mascara. Also from a company I have not heard of, but that's, oh, look at that wand. I actually kind of like these spikier wands because I feel like it gets on my lashes, but it's a pretty small wand. So if you did like to do your lower lashes, I thought that would be really nice. And then this one I've definitely gotten before. It's the Don't Hate Hydrate Replenishing Hair Mask, but I actually really like this, so I'm pretty excited to have a new one. I used the one I got last time, like all the way, and it really does help like hydrate your hair, so I'm actually super excited about this. So that was my March bag, which was awesome that I opened it first. Very convenient. Yeah, so that's really cool. I liked everything that I got in it. As you can see, we are still decorated for March. I put the decorations up like the end of February in preparation for St. Patrick's Day, and then just haven't taken them down yet. It's March, it still counts. I live the life of it's fine. Okay, so let's try this one. Maybe this one is February. I don't know why I'm guessing. There's no way to tell what is what. Okay, so this is, ooh. This one actually might be February. It's quite soft. It's like velvety. It's kind of weird for a makeup bag, but I like it. Purple, velvety. The month you are. Ooh, feel the love. That's got to be February. Right? Yeah, February. Nice. Okay, so let's take a look what we have inside. The first thing I have is an IT Primer Oil-Free Makeup Gripping Base Pore Refiner and Hydrator. That's nice. I like that. I actually like a lot of the IT Cosmetics stuff. Feeler that I really, really liked. What is this tiny itty bitty thing? Oh, this is from Animatter. This is a red lipstick. I feel like I have this one. Just broke my nail a little bit. Oh, this is a pretty color. It's like a nude. It said red on it, so I thought it was gonna be like actually red, but that's actually really pretty. I'm excited about that. Plus it's tiny. I don't know why I like that, but I like it. We also have something in French. Oh, it's a lip balm. There's a lot of French on here, so I assume, yeah, it's just like a lip balm like that. Doesn't smell minty, which is fine, which is nice actually. Does it come out? Okay, yeah. I don't like it when they smell minty. Like those Blistex ones, I don't like them because they're too minty. Now this is a hand cream. Looks nice. And then the last thing in here is Girl Power from The Balm, which is a blush. Very cute. I actually like The Balm a lot. I got like one of their palettes that has maybe even almost this color in it. I don't know. It's another one that had like blushes and bronzers and highlighters in it that I actually really like and use like all of the time. So I'm pretty excited, and plus I really like these like little tiny ones. I think they're so cute. Next, January? We're just going backwards? Can we do it all in order? That would be so cool if we could. Okay, I really like this bag. It's like marbly and pink. And you are from January. Oh my gosh. How lucky is that? We're doing it like in backwards order. Okay, so this one's kind of full of stuff and I like it. So the first thing we're pulling out is a Pore Glow Mask, which I could have used a couple of hours ago. Because I actually did a pore mask earlier. We also have in here from Ciate Glow 2 Illuminating Blush, which sounds adorable, and I love Ciate's packaging. It is so freaking cute. Oh, that's not what I was expecting at all. I was expecting like a regular blush, but it's like raised and kind of looks like, I want to eat it a little bit. It looks like ice cream. Next we have a Jules Smith Beauty Moonbeam Dream. I'm going to assume this is a lip gloss because it's quite pretty. Yeah. Ooh, it smells good. Well, it actually didn't smell like anything. Don't know why it said it smelled good. Okay, next thing we have in here is a Tea Tree Balancing Foam Cleanser to go with your pore mask, I guess. And then last thing in here is from Pure, and this is a Pressed Mineral Makeup. Oh yeah, I picked this one because this was a powder foundation that I wanted to try. I do remember picking this. So I don't remember what I picked in that other bag. I don't know if I picked anything actually. But this one I did pick because it was supposed to be a pressed, like a powdered foundation. So I did want to try that. So that is January's bag, which means this one is December. Okay, wow, this bag is actually full of stuff. Okay, so first we have this like iridescent sort of looking bag. I don't know if that's picking up on camera or not, but this is December, so we got that right. And this bag is kind of empty because there are two things in here. So the first thing we have is a double sheet mask of firming pomegranate and refreshing peppermint. Ooh, I don't know if I like the peppermint one. It's from Glam Up. I don't like mint. It's too minty. And I know that's what it is, but I just don't like it. Too minty. This one is a brush. Multitasking brush to sweep on powder highlighter for a luminous finish. Biodegradable handle with matte velvet finish. The handle does feel nice. Vegan, cruelty free. And then in the bag we have, oh, I think I picked this. Yeah, Tarte Park Avenue Princess. I definitely picked this one, and I forget what it is though. Is it a bronzer? Yeah, it's a bronzer. Yeah, I wanted to try a new bronzer because it's hard to find a bronzer I like for my skin tone, I guess. So I wanted to try this one because it was pretty popular, I guess, back in the day. I don't know, but it looked nice, so I wanted to give that a try. I did pick that one. And then the other two things in here, we've got a BB cream, awesome, and we have a turmeric polish facial scrub. So I'm really excited to try the BB cream. I like trying like new foundations and stuff like that, so that's really exciting. It says glowy finish, so that's great. And then this one is, I don't really like the smell of turmeric. It's so powerful to me. It's too, like, it smells too much. I don't know if that's a thing other people have a problem with, but yeah, I just don't like the smell of it. I don't know what it is, but maybe I'll get used to it. I don't know. It's just a really powerful smell. So that is December's bag, which I really like the bag. It's like festive. I'm exhausted. That took a very long time. And that's it for this video. If you did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I tried to go as quickly as possible. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other, check out all my social media links down below. And I'll be back with another video, hopefully soon, and hopefully not opening another 4 Ipsy bags that I hadn't got around to opening. Okay, bye!